Because, excuse me, let's take it as an address. The government does not visit the community every day. Because government does every day. Open the government never especially when open the government we're saying there. Our Temple Governor, Guru of Africa, the Enugu State, Omemma, he graciously stepped in to help in fostering peace in Enugu. The governor went King Agassiz, or the Congress, and every minister by an open walking. Where see Ministry of Rural Development with integrity. A way directive, can Ministry of Rural Development help Enugu and achieve peace? And even though that the Honorable Commissioner, a prince, a thoroughbred man, not the unavoidably indisposed today, he constituted a star-studded team to visit this community. And with you are media professionals, administrative moguls, and an attorney of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. The implication is that this team is well constituted. And I noticed in Nakuru that are here, that before you, there was a file, and that file looked like file Enugu Akwachi. Now, the information you need to do your work is there. Enugu Akwachi Autonomous Community was created on 23rd of July 2009. Enugu Akwachi Autonomous Community was created on 28th of July 2009 through the Gazette of Enugu State Traditional Rulers Act as amended, 2009 as amended. And by virtue of the laws of Enugu State,